we really need your support and motivation to keep this going. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Question 40. Which of the following best describes the meaning of initial level of risk in risk management? A. The categorization after implementation of mitigating actions. B. The categorization after initial risk assessment. C. The categorization after mitigation and residual risk assessment. D. The categorization before determining and implementing mitigating actions. E. The categorization before risk identification. Correct answer is option D. Question 41. Complete the sentence. According to TOGAF, a view is used to describe how the of a stakeholder are being met. A. Concerns. B. Constraints. C. Interests. D. Perspective. E. Requirements. Correct answer is option A. Question 42. Complete the sentence. The architecture development method produces content to be stored in the repository, which is classified according to the A. ADM guidelines and techniques. B. Architecture capability framework. C. Architecture capability model. D. Enterprise continuum. E. Standards information base. Correct answer is option D. Question 43. Which of the following best describes the state of architecture artifacts as a project progresses through ADM phases A to D? A. The artifacts are transformed into solution architectures. B. The artifacts become increasingly product-focused. C. The artifacts become increasingly generic and reusable. D. The artifacts evolve from generic architectures to organization-specific architectures. E. The artifacts evolve from common systems architectures to foundation architectures. Correct answer is option D. Question 44. Which of the following describes the phase age classification for an incremental change? A. A change driven by a requirement to derive additional value from the existing investment. B. A change driven by a requirement to increase investment in order to create new value for exploitation. C. A change driven by a requirement to reduce investment. D. A change driven by a requirement to realign with the business strategy. Correct answer is option A. Question 45. Which one of the following statements about viewpoints is correct? A. A viewpoint is always specific to an architecture. B. A viewpoint is used to create views in phases E and F. C. A viewpoint is used as a template to create a view. D. A viewpoint is what a stakeholder sees. Correct answer is option C. Question 46. According to TOGAF, in which sequence should application architecture and data architecture be developed? In phase C? A. Application architecture should be developed first, then data architecture. B. Application architecture should be developed concurrently with data architecture. C. Data architecture should be developed first, then application architecture. D. Application architecture and data architecture may be developed in either sequence. Correct answer is option D. Question 47. Which of the following best completes the sentence? The architecture repository. A is used to store different classes of architectural output created by the ADM. B is a categorization mechanism for classifying architecture and solution artifacts. C is a detailed model of architectural work products, including deliverables and artifacts. D is an architecture of generic functions and services. E is a set of resources to help establish an architecture capability within an organization. Correct answer is option A. Question 48. What level of the architecture landscape provides a long-term summary view of the entire enterprise? A. Capability architecture. B. Operational architecture. C. Segment architecture. D. Strategic architecture. E. Tactical architecture. Correct answer is option D. Question 49. A key step in validating a proposed target architecture is to consider what may have been forgotten. What technique does TOGAF recommend to address this issue? A. Business Transformation Readiness Assessment. B. Business Value Assessment Technique. C. Capability-based planning. D. Communications and stakeholder management. E. Gap analysis. Correct answer is option E. Question 50. Complete the sentence. In the preliminary phase, all of the following are part of preparing the organization to undertake successful enterprise architecture, except A. Defining architecture principles. B. Defining relationships between management frameworks. C. Defining the enterprise. D. Evaluating the enterprise architecture maturity. E. Identifying stakeholders and their concerns. Correct answer is option E. Stay tuned for many more videos like this. If you like this effort, please subscribe this channel and give a thumbs up.